Hey, how you doing? So today let's discuss about Ledger Green credit card charge, and I'm gonna be talking about some things you need to know, and also possibly identifying the Ledger charge. And I also went ahead make more research on the charge, some of the actions that have been taken by several people who have encountered this charge, also some preventive tips for you, and possibly my conclusion about this charge. So if this interests you, then please make sure you like this video, okay, before you leave. Now, in case you've encountered an unexpected charge like the ledger grain entry on your credit card. And this can be a little bit alarming because a lot of people are also complaining about this, especially when it appears without clear context. Okay, so in this review video, I'm going to be exploring what the ledger green charge typically represents, okay, and how to identify its legitimacy, and also, just like I said, the practical steps that you can take to manage or dispute the unfamiliar charges. Now, the ledger green charge often show up as a pending transaction, okay, on credit card statement. So in case you've seen this, I'm sure that you've seen it as a pending transaction, okay? And pending charges kind of indicate that the transaction is still in progress, but not yet finalized, okay? So that is what a whole lot of people have been saying. And if you're seeing the same also, then you need to know that you are not alone. So this type of charge could appear as part of a subscription, okay, or smaller recurring fee, all right, that can surprise a lot of card holders like you and I, all right? Now, on the statement, a lot of people are seeing details like, charge date, amount, and, merchant name, which kind of helps to clarify the nature of the charge. For instance, ledger green might appear on the transaction descriptor, okay, by the underlying merchant, but the merchant that is being underlined could vary, okay, so it kind of make it harder to trace without further inquiry, okay. Now, upon seeing the ledger green charge, it's kind of wise to investigate, okay, by researching online, and which so that is actually what I did, because when I see a lot of people complaining about the charge, I went online to some private communities and forums, and also paid groups that I belong to, where I get information and data easily, and to see if other people are also encountering similar charge. And several people reporting this charge linked to subscription service, okay. A lot of people are talking about them, so it's kind of arise from subscription services, and also some people talking about low cost online purchases, okay. So it is also possible that this is a recurring or membership fee. All right. So why some card holders are recognizing it as a valid transactions, several others see it as unfamiliar, okay, and also something illegitimate. So that is what I've been able to get from my research. Some people saying, oh well, it's normal because I actually subscribe for something, and that was why I am saying it. Why some are like, I didn't subscribe for anything, and there is no online purchase that I made. So I kind of find this suspicious. So it's one of the two. So in case maybe you've made any recent online purchase, that might be the reason why you're saying that, because most of the time it's always pending. And also in case maybe you're on a subscription plan for a particular online service, or maybe any service out there, then you might actually see this also. Now let's talk about some actions that can be taken for you, in case by you rather, in case you see this charge. Now, after identifying an unknown charge like this, it's better that you contact the merchant directly. All right, in case maybe you just made a recent purchase, all right, you can contact the merchant directly, and you can ask them for more information, okay. And in case you're not able to get results with that, then consider contacting your credit card provider, okay. And several card holders often find their credit card company helping to clarify other charges that are ambiguous, or they can even provide you with temporary credits, okay, if a charge is under dispute, okay. So that is another thing. And additionally, I've also seen some users have success on disputing the ledger green charge, okay, when there is no recollection of authorizing such as transactions, though responses from merchants and credit providers might actually vary. So it's very essential to document every step and make sure that you save communication records. I always buttress more on this. It's very important. Always make sure that you save all your communication records. Don't just leave everything deleted or take it with levity. So because this could prove helpful in resolving or escalating the issue some other time. Okay. And talking about some preventive tips, well, to actually prevent surprises like this ledger green charge, let me give you some preventive tips that you can practice, and possibly it helps you to stay safe, and also you not be charged on your credit card. Well, the first preventive tips is to regularly, review your statement. Okay, so make sure you review your statement, check statements monthly for any unknown or pending transactions, because a lot of people are always too complacent and relaxed. They don't go ahead to check their statement. So make sure you check your statement regularly, okay, because most of these charges, they might be illegitimate, and other scammers out there, they will start from lower fee Then before you realize, you get to know that you are being charged a whole lot of money. Later on, the more they realize that you are not putting notice to your statement, they might actually charge you more in the future. So make sure you review your statements regularly. So this way, in case you see any unfamiliar charge or maybe any pending transactions, you can easily just report to your credit card issuer or your bank. And also make sure you set up alert, because many credit card providers, they offer transaction alert, which kind of notify you of new charges or balance changes rather. So go ahead and set up alert. Okay, very important. It's paramount for you to set up alert. So in case there is any kind of transaction or whatever, you will be alerted and you can easily know that okay, this is where this comes from, and if there's any charge, you can quickly solve it with immediate effect. Now, always use virtual card also, because virtual credit cards can also limit exposure. Okay, and it can provide a secure method for online purchases without you revealing your main account details. Okay, so online virtual cards are not also bad, especially if you are making purchases online. Okay, they are not bad, which you can also use. Okay, there are a lot of them out there that you can sign up for, use them, and they help. Okay, they kind of help to limit exposure, and they help to provide a secure method for online purchases without having to reveal your main account details. Also, I would suggest that you also track the subscription. Okay, this is the last preventive tip I have for you. So make sure that you regularly review and cancel any subscription that you no longer use. A lot of people are, always bad in this. They do not cancel subscription. All right. If you are no longer using the subscription, reach out to the company or maybe the merchant or whatever it is. Reach out to them. Let them know that you want to cancel your subscription. So that way, all right, you won't be seeing all these pending charges and unexpected charges on your credit card. All right. And in case maybe you reach out and they still did not solve it, then you might want to reach out to your credit card issuer for more support. Okay, so that is what I have for you regarding this video. Just to round this up, I'll just say, navigating unexpected charges can be stressful. Okay, but also understanding how to identify and respond to, transactions like, ledger grain like this helps you to prevent future surprises. Okay, so in case you have seen similar charge like this, then make sure that you also go ahead and share your experience. Okay, it possibly can help other people and also promote awareness. Okay, so as you know, other things, they are just what I've been able to see online. I just come here to give you my honest thoughts. So in case you've experienced this also, try as much as possible, drop your thoughts in the comment box below. Let us rub minds together, and also it helps other people to make the best decision out there. And also always remember to stay proactive in monitoring your account activity. Okay, because vigilance is key to protecting your finances. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. If this video has been helpful, please don't forget to smash the red subscribe button. It will help me and motivate me to keep creating more videos like this. And also don't forget to hit the like button so that YouTube can keep showing this video to several other people out there who might be needing this type of review guide. All right, till another time, I'll see you in another credit card charge video tutorial or review. Peace and have a nice day ahead. Bye.